since it's the best time to plant right now, a lot of people are at home looking in their yard and seeing, wow, I have some work to do. A lot of things are growing and maybe growing out of control, not growing enough. You may have a lot of dead wood left over from the winter time or hot months before. So you say, I want to prune. Well, first off, what you need to do is get a hold of our tree care division, have the professionals do it. That's gonna be my best recommendation for you. Our people have years and years of experience in the arbor division. Many of them are arborists. They've been pruning, taking care of trees for decades. So have the pros do it for sure, and you can contact our tree care division for free estimates on that. Now, if you are a do-it-yourselfer and you want to get in out there and get dirty, there's a couple things that you want to make sure you're doing. First, always be safe. Have your gloves on, wear your protective eye equipment. You don't want anything falling down on you. Really important, safety first, okay? Take a good look up in the tree and try to envision how it's going to grow in the future and what may be running into each other. It's always important to never prune more than 30% of the growth of the tree. If you start doing more than that, you can start causing some damages. Also, you notice since you're going to be fertilizing with all of our Moon products, you'll be pushing out a lot of extra growth. So it's important to keep up on that pruning, to have a nice, strong structure for the tree to keep it growing properly.